possible for Solana SOL to bounce back to $300 by the end of 2025. While this is a bullish scenario, it's not entirely out of reach. Several analysts in crypto platforms like Keyring and Ainvest have projected that if certain catalysts align, SOL could see prices ranging from $300 to even $450. These forecasts are based on a combination of technical analysis, network upgrades, and growing institutional interest. However, it's important to recognize that this scenario depends on a number of factors coming together. In this video, we'll break down the reasons why Solana could reach these heights, the risks that might stand in the way, and what investors should keep in mind as they consider the future of SOL. Let's dive into the main drivers that could push Solana toward the $300 mark. First, major network upgrades like Firedancer and Alpenglow are in the pipeline. If these upgrades deliver as promised, they could significantly boost Solana's throughput and efficiency, making the network more attractive for developers and users. Second, institutional interest is growing, with potential ETF inflows and large funds eyeing Solana as a promising asset. Ecosystem is also expanding, with DeFi, NFTs, and real-world asset tokenization gaining traction. On top of that, a large portion of SOL is staked, reducing the circulating supply and potentially creating a supply squeeze if demand spikes. Technical analysis also shows SOL trading above key moving averages, forming a solid base for a potential rally. Of course, there are significant risks that could prevent Solana from reaching $300 by 2025. Macro risks such as a broad crypto market pullback or negative shifts in global markets could derail any altcoin rally. Execution risk is also a concern. If Solana's upgrades are delayed or underdeliver, the bullish case weakens. Regulatory uncertainty, especially around ETF approvals, could limit institutional inflow. Solana has also faced network outages in the past, which could hurt investor confidence if they recur. Finally, competition from other Layer 1 blockchains remains fierce. My assessment, while $300 is a realistic upside scenario if key catalysts align, it's not the base case. For those bullish on Solana's long-term potential, a cautious, risk-managed approach, like scaling in and monitoring major catalysts, makes sense.